Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is David and welcome to UTECHPIA. So GoPro just released today the new GoPro Hero 7 Black, and it's a pretty awesome camera. We'll go into the features and specs later, but let me tell you how you can get $100 off the retail price right now, even on the pre-order. It retails for basically $400, and with this deal you can get it for $300, and it includes a 32GB micro SD card and free shipping as well. So just go to GoPro.com, and GoPro.com, you see on the top here, it says get $100 off your camera, and you click on the trade up program. So in the trade up program, you get up to $150 off when you trade in a camera. You trade in any GoPro or actually any digital camera in any condition, whether it's dented, dinged up, destroyed, no problem, they'll take it. There's a little cliff note here, so let's go down and read this cliff note and see what it says. So the cliff note says, any GoPro or digital camera with an original retail value of at least $99.99 is eligible for trade-in. So if you don't have an old camera you want to trade in for the $100 credit, don't forget you can buy a used one for about $5 or $10 on Craigslist or eBay, and it's totally worth the effort for a $100 credit off your brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black. Look, here's one for $4 in Santa Clara, and it comes with 4 megapixel camera with 2 batteries and 2 compact flash cards. That's quite the deal. So there's some terms and conditions. Basically this only applies to purchases of the Hero Black or the Fusion camera on GoPro.com and delivered in the United States. The program is not transferable and cannot be combined with any other offers, discounts, or promotion codes, or applied to previous purchases. So, scrolling back up here. So here's how it works. You get $100 off the Hero 7 Black or $150 off the Fusion. We're talking about the Hero Black today, so you're gonna get $100 off that. You're doing the trade-in, so you send them any old digital camera and they'll even cover the shipping. Once they receive your old camera, they'll ship your new GoPro, and that's pretty much it. And don't forget, you also get free 2-day shipping and returns. So let's go ahead and order it. Which GoPro do you want? We want the Hero 7 Black. This is the ultimate GoPro with insanely smooth video. And they're not kidding about the insanely smooth videos. You should see some of the demo footage that people are posting online. It is really good and it is beyond fantastic. Anyway, this camera retails for $399, but with the trade-in, you get it for $299.99. So let's go ahead and select that, and we're gonna make the trade. So basically, we're gonna place the order. So complete the checkout to get a prepaid shipping label for your old camera. And then what you do is you're gonna send in your old camera. You pack up your camera and send it to them using the label, so you don't have to pay for shipping. So that's all there is to it. So we'll go ahead and go to the checkout. So you can see this is a pre-order and it's gonna ship on or before October 2nd, 2018. Remember, provided that they get the old camera first. So just remember, your new GoPro won't ship until they receive your old camera. So you gotta pack it up and ship it out quickly. GoPro 7 Black are estimated to ship out around October 2nd, 2018. And also the nice thing about ordering online is they include the SanDisk Extreme 32GB micro SD card right here too. I have a 128GB card on my GoPro. I love it, it's perfect. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get a really good deal on a 128GB micro SD card as well. So GoPro Trade Up Program, frequently asked questions. So what is the GoPro Trade Up Program? The GoPro Trade Up Program lets you trade in a digital camera for a discount on the new Hero Black 7 or Fusion. And they'll even cover the shipping both ways. How much will I save on a new GoPro? You'll get $100 off the Hero 7 Black or Fusion for each camera you trade in. But remember, only one discount is allowed per camera purchase. So basically, you're gonna get $100 off the Hero 7 Black or $150 off the Fusion. They actually made a typo here because for the Fusion, you get $150 off. So what type of camera can I trade in? Any model digital camera from any brand is eligible for a trade-in as long as it was at least $99.99 US dollar when it was new. The camera I want to trade in doesn't work. Is that okay? Yep, we'll take your camera in any condition, whether it's scratched, dented, dinged, destroyed. No worries, they'll take it. How many cameras can I trade in? You can trade in as many as you want, but you have to register each camera separately. Remember, only one discount is allowed per camera purchase. How do I send in my camera? You'll receive an email with instructions on how to get your prepaid shipping label. The email will come from FedEx, not GoPro, so be on the lookout. Then just print it out, package it up, and send it in. Are there any shipping costs or other fees? Nope. You'll receive a prepaid shipping label from FedEx to send in your camera. Your new GoPro will ship out for free too. There's no additional fees to trade in your camera. When should I return my camera? Send it our way within 45 days of completing the checkout. When will I receive my new GoPro, and when will I be charged? After we receive your trade-in camera, we'll charge the payment method provided and ship you your new GoPro within 14 days. I live outside the United States. Can I still trade in my camera? Sorry. The GoPro trade-up program is only available in the US at this time. So why does GoPro want my camera? It's not so much that we want your old camera, we just want to make it easy for you to get your hands on the latest and greatest GoPro. And remember, any GoPro or digital camera with an original retail value of at least $99.99 US dollar is eligible for the trade-in. And that's it guys, I think it's a great deal if you're looking to get the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is pretty awesome. It has a hyper smooth video feature. It provides insanely smooth video, gimbal-like stabilization without the gimbal. So you can see the footage on the left is without this new stabilization, and the footage on the right is insanely smooth. I think this is a game changer. And don't forget the GoPro is rugged and waterproof. You can dunk it, drop it, crash it. It's tough as nails and waterproof down to 33 feet. That's 10 meters. It's still got the good old voice control. Your hands are tied, you can just speak. You can say one of 16 commands, including GoPro, take a photo, or that was sick, to tag a video. And when you tag a video, it makes it easy to find that clip when you're editing. It's got the super photo mode. What it does is it captures HDR photo, and it does a really good job of it. This is what it looks like if you didn't have the super photo mode, and this is what it looks like when you have the super photo mode. Very deep and vibrant color, and it's exposed perfectly for the brights as well as the dark areas. And now you have live streaming. You can send it live. For example, you can stream it to Facebook Live and share moments as they happen. That's pretty awesome. It's got the new time-lapse on the move. So now using the stabilization feature, you can capture really smooth time lapses, just like these. They look pretty awesome. So there's 3 different versions, the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the Hero 7 Silver, and the Hero 7 White at different price points. But right now, with the trade-in offer, there's no question about it. The deal to get is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's the top of the line, and it's the best GoPro ever. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the description below if you're thinking about getting the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to UTECHPIA. Your support is always appreciated. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey! Hello? Are you still there? Oh, there you are. I see you. Thanks for sticking around. Well, if you want to see more videos, check out these. And yeah, these are pretty interesting videos. I hope you like them. And thanks again for watching. I totally appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Well, I'm gonna head out now, so I'll see you later. Bye.